What up, Snaz fam? Hope you're all doing well. Hope life is treating you just spectacularly. Today is a great day. Well, I don't know about a great day. It's a day that's decent. It's collection day. We are getting the limo back. That's right. She's fixed, mostly, and we're gonna go pick her up. Now, when I say mostly fixed, it's because they recommended we do a lot, but we only did the minimum, and we did the minimum of the minimum because I didn't want to break the bank in fixing the rolls, because I have to do stuff to the Shelby. That guy was there, he knows. Last video we drove a Shelby GT350 that was, it was wicked, it was insane. And now driving this, food has no taste, there is no color, no smell. I have to do something to this now. I need a ride to, so your timing was fortuitous. Even though you ruined the clip, I could use your assistance.
About a Ford GT.
I say, hey, okay.
What was?
Whoa!
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 Are you kidding me?
Dude,
bro, that's not gonna buff
that
out.
splitter is gonna slice someone's leg open.
Who cares about someone's leg? What about the poor splitter?
Believe me, of all your cars, I'm least worried about this one.
True, yeah.
It's a race car.
If you're gonna trip on one, trip on this.
Yes.
That was very fortuitous. I just want to say fortuitous. I said it 3 times. Okay, moving on. Oh, I got something to say. Link below to the Burlacher's Facebook page. Go give him a follow. Go like his page.
Oh.
We got to get him monetized. Link below, Facebook, Burlacher, now. Yeah, so it's kind of awkward. I feel like
You're gonna go, okay.
this is, yeah.
Wow. Actually, you made that look pretty easy. I think the Ford GT is the most ideal car to use when you're going to pick up a 1982 Rolls-Royce limousine. I say this every time, but this is the greatest thing ever.
Are those new kicks?
No.
Those are fresh.
I've had them for like 10 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Watch your head. Watch your head.
Oh, it's like a test of faith every time. Let's go get the limo and then food on me.
Wait. Really?
Yeah.
Oh.
True story. My dad just bought that monster van. He went several times to go to the DMV. It was a 4 to 6 hour wait. So what he did, he got up at 3:30 in the morning, drove to the DMV, got there at 3:50, was 20th in line, parked the van, got in the back, slept, got up at 5:30, gates opened at 6 or whatever, and he still waited an hour and a half.
What was that? What kind of look is that?
Hey, here we are. Is she out there? Did you see her?
I forgot how much I hate this car.
Oh my gosh.
I am so sorry.
Man, maybe we should just bury it.
I think that's the best thing to do. Can we
Now,
blow it up, please? Like,
we're either gonna blow it up or bury it. One of the
let's
two.
just bury it in the backyard.
Okay.
wait, really?
Sure.
Are we getting lunch or not?
Yeah, what do you
promised
want?
me lunch. I don't know.
what do you
Pizza?
want?
Little Caesars?
Little
in
Caesars?
the rolls? We could do that. We could go somewhere
Little
else. We
Caesars?
could get Mobetta's. We go to Roadhouse. God, it looks so short. Do we always do this?
What?
This would be
like
a
this?
boost to my ego. Yeah, because then I
Yeah.
look like a normal sized human, which I am. There was somebody in the comments of one of your videos that said, oh, Strad's always saying he's 5'11". You're not even going to include this in the video. I can tell. I can see it in your eyes. Man, lunch. Should I follow you in case you break down?
Yes. Well, yes,
Yes,
that's
sure.
a given. I forgot what it smells like. It smells good.
Does it?
It smells, well,
good.
good is relative. It started right up. It's got a noise. There we go. You gotta move the armrest to stop the squeak. She's working, baby, she's alive. Let's rev the rolls, here we go. Whoa. Whoa.
That sounds amazing.
I didn't tell you. I had them do the exhaust too, so we're rolling, baby. We got a hard left. So that squeaking was one of the things that they recommended, and we're not gonna make it. I'm probably gonna hit something here. Come on. I'm not gonna make it again. Oh, this is getting awkward. That guy's just laughing at me in his Ford GT. I know I should get the door for you, but I'm in, so you can help yourself.
Oh, I guess I should be sitting in the back.
This is This just got weird.
This is the most embarrassing car I've ever seen in my entire life. I have never laughed so uncontrollably long as I just did there as you're trying to flip a U-turn. Now we're going to Arby's to experience the exact same thing.
I couldn't make that left-hand turn. I couldn't do it.
Can I get a chicken cordon bleu combo with mozzarella sticks?
Anything else for you today?
That is all.
It's the dumbest view I've ever seen. What was that? I'm embarrassed. Imagine how he feels.
And a mac and cheese on the side.
There's actually no way he's gonna. You're not gonna make the turn, bro. You can't. Oh gosh, you can't make that turn. I think you have an issue with the power steering.
Yeah, that's what they said, and I think they were correct.
Oh gosh. This is so stupid. I'm embarrassed to be standing here with the camera filming you.
Hey, you know what? You're getting free food though.
That's true, I am. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I really do appreciate you.
Sorry everybody.
This is so embarrassing. Can we please leave? I don't think this is worth the free food. This is not worth the free food. This is so embarrassing. The guy in the Lexus behind us, he is not amused. These stupid idiots and their stupid Rolls Royce.
We're not holding anyone up. We're in line just like anybody else.
It's true. We're allowed to be here.
We can't go
It's
anywhere.
all right.
Yeah. We wanted $2 grand to fix that. Well, 1,500.
Yeah, that's not worth it. No, we're good. We're good. It's annoying, but we're good.
That's a lot of Arby's. I'm gonna let the guy in the back get the food. Okay. You want the camera?
Oh, jeez. Oh, no. Oh, my gosh.
Wow.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Oh, you broke your camera when you dropped it. It's like the autofocus is all out of whack. Also, there's no cup holder back here that fits the Arby's string. We're good, though. Thank you. Yeah, we're good. We're good. We're good. Do not hit that curb. Oh, my gosh. We're good. Yes. We're back.
We good?
Yeah, I just turned it off. We're back. We're good. Okay, so Burlacher dropped the camera. We got the food. Autofocus was broken temporarily. We are good. Also, the drinks don't actually fit in the cup holder.
They don't fit in the crop holder?
No, they don't.
I feel like there's all sorts of people just like, what is going... Yeah. So the numbers, the facts, the figures.
That's my line.
That's weird. Awkward. All right, let's cut to the chase. We did an oil change, a coolant flush. They fixed the fuel leak, and they fixed the starter. So what do you think that was on a 1982 Rolls Royce?
$1,008.
Wow, that's amazing. How did you do that? They recommended another $2,000 worth of repairs, which we said no. That is $600 for batteries and so forth, and another $1,500 for a power steering pulley and pump.
This car's gonna make you go bankrupt. I'm gonna have to buy the house and you're gonna have to live in the Rolls Royce.
Yeah, I should live in the Rolls Royce. I should move in.
You wouldn't, bro.
Do you think
You're a gargantuan human being.
Do you think I could live in the Rolls Royce for a day?
No.
24 hours.
You're the biggest baby I'd ever. I couldn't handle that. Oh my gosh. You'd be calling me every 9 seconds, moping about. You don't even fit in here. You can't even get through this privacy glass.
What do I get if I do it?
She's just picking her nose. You see that?
She got a
legit
good
was.
pick. Yeah, she got a good pick. Yeah.
What was that? Wow.
Hey, I respect that. I think I could live in here for a day. Maybe. We should show them the destruction we caused in the backyard last night.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Do you want to take the Rolls? I'll take the GT.
No.
Look at that. Sorry, come on, there we go. Come on. Seatbelt for safety. There we go. Shall we? She rides so smooth though. Just floats along. And then you got this guy flexing his 4 GT. Wow, it's green, bro. It's green. I got him. Sneak attack. We're floored. We're floored. Oh yeah, baby. Okay. We got up to 50. It went from 45 to 50 in that span of time. The power is, it's not strong. It's a V10, but it's not strong. Gotta show you guys what we did last night in the backyard. It was pretty awesome.
It was a lot harder to get out of the Ford GT after Arby's than it was to get into the Ford GT before Arby's.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna say this, bro, but if you look some of your older videos,
whoa,
and then watch some of your,
chunky.
you're getting a little chunky. Have you weighed yourself lately? Because it's, I know you wanted to inflate your ego, but I think you've been inflating your weight.
What?
Wow.
What?
Boom. Should we go tell them about Thidiots?
Yeah, we should tell them about Thidiots. It's about time.
Yeah. I heard you're wrapping this.
Whoa, wait, oh, yo, whoa. They can find out on my channel. Link below.
Wait.
I started a YouTube channel.
We haven't linked you.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is James.
Hello.
He has a small YouTube channel.
So nice to meet you
Link
all.
below.
Appreciate it.
He's gonna wrap this.
Thank you. Thank you.
Not purple?
No, no,
Whoa,
no.
whoa,
Second
whoa,
round,
whoa,
second
whoa,
round.
whoa,
Hey.
whoa, whoa.
There's a new frontier
Here we
coming
go.
to YouTube.
Ooh, a frontier. I like that.
Frontier.
That is a very clean circle with a basketball hoop in the middle. So one could assume that the circle was caused by
3 idiots.
three idiots in a motorized vehicle. I will say this though, the backyard has never looked so good since we started those shenanigans. As always, I hope you guys are doing great. Hope you're crushing it. Peace.